So let's look at BTCUSD. Remember, for the BTCUSD and the US Tech 100, they are all on the 1 hour time frame. So everything else here remains the same. You can see the plots of the BTCUSD of the close price, and we have the indicators. Now you can see for BTCUSD, we are actually using a very high slow moving average and a very high force index. This is because of so many reasons. Number one, the trading cost. The trading cost of BTCUSD is very high. If we go into more frequent trades, regardless of how good our trading strategy is, we are going to end up in losses. That's why we are currently using a very high moving average here. And for the sell condition averages or the indicators, we are using 160, 150, and then a force index of 850. This would help us actually detect any sell trends or downtrends and pick them up. So we added our trading conditions here. And then you can see our chart here. BTCUSD was where we got the most performance. So for the cumulative strategy, we had 100.9. And if you want to figure out actually how much you would make if you, with this cumulative strategy, you just subtract this value by 1 and multiply that value by your initial capital. That's how much profit you would have made. So in this case here, our cumulative strategy outperformed our default cumulative returns by 93.12, which is very high. Obviously, as you can see here, the blue signifies our trading strategy and the green signifies the default buy and hold returns. Now, as you can also see from our trading strategy, we had some periods of very high drawdowns. As you can see for some time in 2021, where we had a drawdown from about 70 to 35. This is very high. So if you're going to be trading with this strategy, you need to use a relatively low lot size to ensure that a move like this would be probably 10 to 15% of your entire account, or maybe even lower. Going down here, you can see a plot of the trades. So the green represents the buy position, like always, and the red represents the sell position. And then going down to use machine learning to improve our trading strategy, we added our features, trained our model, loaded our model, and you can see what the market looks like in those setting conditions. We have the orange for condition 1. We have the green for condition 2. We have the black for condition 3. And then we had the red for condition 4. Now, like always, our idea is to run the trading strategy through these individual conditions. We're going to run it on orange, red, green, and black, buy and sell conditions, to see which of these conditions are not profitable to trade using our trading strategy. And doing that here, we are currently using condition 1, 3, and 4 for our buy condition, and then condition 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So we are currently using everything for our sell condition, meaning that everything for our sell condition is profitable. Okay, so our trading strategy has done the most part, and there's nothing left for the machine learning model to do, or the training model to do. So we can our value count here, and then our cumulative strategy returned 102.36. Now, I want you guys to understand that the primary purpose of adding machine learning into this strategy isn't necessarily to improve the cumulative strategy. The primary reason of adding the trading strategy is to look for conditions where the market isn't profitable for our trading strategy and stop trading. Something else you can also do is to look at the conditions. And wherever the trading strategy is actually the most profitable, you can increase your lot size. And then where it's likely to be less profitable, you can reduce your lot size. So let's say on condition 1 here, which is orange, let's say that's way more profitable. Or let's look at the condition 4 is red. Okay, so let's say condition 4 is likely more profitable than condition 1. So whenever we're in condition 4, you can likely increase your lot size. And whenever we're in condition 1, you can reduce your lot size. That way, your trading strategy is going to perform even better. Okay? So you can also see the recent performance of our trading strategy. You can see that BTC went from 29,000 down all the way to 26,000. And so we're in a sell position here, here, and here. And you can also see that the market has reversed back to 28,000. And our HMM model has asked us not to trade at this point until we can either get into a condition where it's currently going to be able to place trades. And you can also see a plot of this on the 5th. Notice we had a trend here. Notice we had a drawdown here and a drawdown here. A drawdown here as well. So if you're going to be using this trading strategy, you have to use a lot size that can accommodate this and this without necessarily having to cause panic on your entire account.